Hey everyone, life can throw us some pretty tough challenges. Whether it's exams, personal issues, or just the weight of daily responsibilities, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and lose motivation. But there are ways to keep pushing forward, even when the going gets tough. First, let's talk about picture yourself on graduation day, receiving that diploma, or landing that dream job. Studies show that visualizing success can increase motivation and improve performance. A study from the University of California found that students who practiced visualization techniques were 34% more likely to achieve their goals. So, take a moment each day to close your eyes and imagine what success looks like for you. Next, focus on why did you start this journey in the first place? Maybe it's to make a better life for yourself or your family. Maybe it's to prove to yourself that you can achieve something great. Keeping your reasons at the forefront of your mind can be a powerful motivator. According to the American Psychological Association, having a clear purpose can help you stay resilient in the face of adversity. Another key is to into smaller, manageable tasks. It's easy to feel paralyzed by the enormity of a big goal, but breaking it down can make it feel more achievable. For example, if you're studying for a big exam, break it down into chapters or topics and tackle each one individually. This technique is backed by research from the Journal of Applied Psychology, which found that setting smaller sub-goals can significantly boost motivation and performance. Now let's talk about surround yourself with people who believe in you and your goals. Friends, family, mentors. These people can provide encouragement and keep you accountable. According to a study published in the Journal of Social and Clinical Psychology, having a strong support system can reduce stress and increase your chances of success. Finally, don't forget to. It's hard to stay motivated if you're running on empty. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating well, and taking breaks when you need them. Self-care isn't just about pampering yourself. It's about maintaining the energy and health you need to keep going. Research from Harvard Medical School shows that regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can significantly improve your mental and emotional resilience. Remember, tough times don't last, but tough people do. Stay focused, stay strong, and keep moving forward. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay motivated. Adam.